Hey guys, so today we're going to make an Espresso Martini. Don't have a cocktail shaker, but going to improvise with a protein shaker. So we're going to give that a go. What you need is vodka, standard. We got this standard vodka is probably on the cheaper end, but any vodka is fine. We got Mr. Black. This is probably a premium black coffee, one of the best in Australia. And protein shaker, a shot of espresso. This could be from Nespresso machines or Breville machines or whatever. We need a glass of ice and some serving cups. Okay. So first thing, get the ice. Make sure the glass is nice and full when you serve it. Cool. We're gonna use the protein shaker. This is the first time we're doing it, so hopefully. Alright, so we got first we got the base, which is vodka, shot, coffee liqueur, again I'm just reading these measurements, but usually one shot of each. Coffee, and this has the crema, right? Time to shake. So then again, this is the first time we're doing this. Hopefully there's some crema in the Espresso Martini, but let's see how we go. Should really strain the ice, but it's okay. That's not funny. We're actually sponsored by Opti-Slim. No, we're not actually. But if Opti-Slim want to reach out, then feel free to do so. And there you go, Espresso Martini with the crema and everything. If we had coffee beans, then we could garnish with some coffee beans, but we don't. This is just improvisation. But there you have it. Enjoy. Leave a comment below if you guys got any ideas for how we could change this recipe up a bit, or just follow as it is. And the best part of this is finish off with a shot of vodka. That's it.